Hello and welcome, beautiful people, to another round of me trying to learn programming. So we are doing Angular for the past month or so, and we will do it today again or in this round. And what's the next? Dynamic component loader. Okay. What's this we finished, right? Oh fuck. That was Control-Shift-0. Control-Shift. Oh fuck me. Okay, never mind. Reset. Dynamic component loader. Okay, I have no idea what this is, so let's get into it. As always, first we will have a exercise. Oh, it's a good score. That was... Really? I did that? I didn't wrote it down? What the hell? I didn't enter that at all? Why? Okay. 441. Here we go. Come on! It catches the focus, the timer, now, for some reason, and I have no idea why. Every time it... fuck that. I will write my own timer. There's one thing which I don't know how to do, and that is to do like to catch the global shortcuts. Like globally. It was 944, 944, which is horrible. Okay. So this is like dynamic component loader. Okay, so what do we have here? Build a dynamic banner. Okay, so there's like some anchor directive, loading components. We have something add host. Okay, resolving components. Also, I have no idea what that is. Add component interface. Okay, final banner. How is it today? Is that it? And there's an example for that. Okay, so we'll download it. So we can view it in a nicer. Okay, so that is in dev projects study Angular. I'll dump it in here. Okay. Then here. Control that, and it is dynamic component loader. Okay, so we'll create the folder first. When we have that, we'll extract everything over there. Done. So what's that? Now I'll open the project. Did we finish going through everything in here? Oh, this is the Angular IO, so that it's I'll not go through everything of it. Example, it's I will probably get back to this. That's kind of interesting to me, you know, how they did build. It is like old version, but basically it is a version of this Angular IO. These whole pages, the documentation, and everything. Some of the previous version is actually publicly attainable on GitHub, and this is the older version. Oh, that shade of like the selection color is so nice. It selected so well. Okay. And they had like these articles, they are saved in this another language. That was the Jade. Yeah, the Jade. Look at that. There's like, hold on, this doesn't look the same as the previous thingy. Interesting. Where was the document? It's tools, scripts. I don't know where it was. Jade, footer, logo, whatever. Oh, there was definitely more of them. Where it was. Is this that? No. I would swear that was... Yeah, like this, see? And this is in TS latest guide. That's that, right? Oh, there's a anchor to the top. There's like contents. Okay, well, this is not important right now. We will have a look on that later. And that is in study. Hey, I haven't seen you in a while. Yeah. That is the question of today, because I have been approached by a very attractive person. Yeah. My app now. Which one was it? That was... Did I extract it to the right? Dev, project, study, Angular. So what the hell? Angular, and this was... What am I looking on? Dynamic component loader. Yeah. And I mean, like, the girl, you know, like... She got a lot of qualities. And she was slim. Probably some plastic was involved in it. You know, she comes from different country. She's from Russia, actually. Originally. Where start Angular? Why cannot I see it in here? That's the dynamic component loader. Why is it not here? Am I in the wrong? It's C. Sounds like a pass. Yeah. I'll see. Like already today we had like discussion, and I was like, so you expect me to pay for like everything when we are like on a date? And she goes like, well, if the guy doesn't pay, it's not a date. And I just start laughing. Well, no longer the case, I'm afraid. What is not the case? Yeah. Exactly. It's not a date unless the guy pays. Where did I extract those things? I am in the right dynamic component. I see it right here. Here it is. So how come I don't see it in my IntelliJ? Am I crazy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What the fuck? Why doesn't the ideas... Dev project study Angular. Here it is. Oh, now it is there. This Windows, please. Oh, iOS nightmare. I don't need to visit yours. Okay. My Tomcat instances were spontaneously combusting. What? Nothing in the logs. Oh no. What it was in the end. Okay, so we'll have a look into this. Component templates are not always fixed. An application may need to load new components at a runtime. This sounds awesome. This looks like something which I can use to generate my pages. To add components dynamically, see the live example. So I have that. Memory limits of my EC2 instances. What is EC2? Oh wait. C2 AES. It's like AVS server. Okay, I see. Elastic Compute Cloud. It's like some kind of server. Okay, like virtual server, right? Okay. Shows how to build dynamic add several different ads cycling through the new add components are added frequently by several different teams. This makes it impractical to use a template with a static component structure. The site isn't okay. I see. So increasing the memory limit did solve the problem. And how did you find out that you were hitting the memory limit. Alright, at frequency in several different teams. This makes it impractical to use a template with a static component structure. Do we have the like styling for the selection in here? Ah, I see. Nice, nice. Solution which doesn't cost money is awesome solution. To hero agency. Frequently several different teams. This makes it impractical to use a template with static component structure. Okay, instead you need a way to load a new component without a fixed reference to the component in the add banners template. For loading components dynamically, that's what I maybe can use. This cool thing that filters out all the Russian bots pinging my home console day long. Oh, nice. So my hopes is that I can have like multiple HTML files and it will load the components automatically. That way I could use this to create my like entries to the blog and so forth. Feeds in crazy URLs with malformed headers causes Tom code to throw handled exceptions. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I have a few applications which I did, but what you show me something cool. You know what? Just to be frank with you, I don't feel like it. I don't feel like trying to impress anyone right now. And I forgot that I wanted to turn on the wash machine. So I will be right back. I will be right back. Okay. So yeah, I'll put this away. Oh fuck. Not this guy. This guy. The anchor directive. For Kinect components, you have to define an anchor point to tell Anchor where to insert components. Okay, cool. So the add banner uses helper directive called add directive to mark valid insertion points in the template. Okay. Well, that's that. View container reference. Okay, so we had template reference already in the previous lesson. So this is a reference to container, in which I suppose we will put in the shit. Add directive injects view container reference to gain access to view container or the element that will host the dynamically added component. To gain access to view container of the element that will host the dynamically added component. Okay, so we will get the element at host okay, so okay. A directive decorator. We have the selector, sure. But it's kind of like normal, isn't it? In the previous thingy, we had the selectors to we had the selectors to right here. Where is it? Yeah, that's normal shit. Nothing new. Nothing new. That's what you use to apply the directive to an element. I guess most of them are like written that you can read them on their own without like having to read through all of that. So some of the things are kind of repeated, but it's okay. The directive decorator, yeah. So apply the directive to the element. The next section shows you how. So loading. Implementation is in add banner component DS. Oh, do you feel? Oh, it's okay-ish, I would say. Add banner component. Add banner component. Okay, and they are talking about, yeah, so in the template we have the ng template, and we have here the host, right? That guy is the directive selector, and that we will use, yeah, for the, this is used for the directive which we created somewhere. It's the add directive. You like that? I'm a total hacker now. Yeah, that's that. Nice to see you again, Sky. Okay, so what they are saying about it. I really like how this looks. Like, aesthetically, it is pleasing. Like, even the backgrounds in the IntelliJ. Well, yeah, it is. You are not the only one saying that. I mean, like, the white blinking is kind of crap. Otherwise, I like it. The white blinking is too aggressive in my opinion. Can I adjust it, maybe? There is a way how to adjust it. Sometimes there is. No, there is not. Okay. Maybe I will have to write my own. Yes, but I almost don't remember how that works, so I'm not in a shape to give advices to anyone. So that's the state of the things. To keep it simple, the HTML is in the component decorator, sure. It doesn't do visual inside. It doesn't recognize the backticks. That's stupid. Okay, whatever. Do it this. So we have that. It seems to be the case that my comfort with Angular depends on the questions which I get. I might be very comfortable or very uncomfortable. Template string. The ng template element is where you apply the directive you just made. Sure. To apply the add directive. Okay, so this is the thing. Why do you have? Yeah, so we have that, and what the add host or add banner component? No. Okay, that's just a type. Where's the add host? Add directive, here we go. If selector, we don't have the template or anything. So how do we get the template in there, huh? Simple is blah blah blah. To apply the add directive, recall the selector. Yeah, that's that. Yeah. To apply that ng without the square brackets. Angular knows where to dynamically load components. Maybe Angular knows, but I doesn't know. I don't know. We choose for dynamic component because it doesn't render any additional output. Yeah, we learned that, right? Take a closer look in the methods in NPM component. Takes array of add item objects. Input which ultimately comes from add service. So that's this guy. Come on. Visual inside that guy. Oh well, that's long. Dependent component takes an array. Or is it like in constructor or? What do you mean add banner component takes an array? It doesn't take shit. Takes add banner component takes array of add item object as an input. Oh, as input. Okay, my bad. That's this here. So that will be passed down from the parent somewhere. And the selector is this guy, so we will have a look where it is, and we pass down adds. And adds come from add service. If we have a look at that, it is a dummy thingy, and we have like those. This is the shit in it. Okay. Okay, so that's what they said basically. Object specify the type of component to load. Is it a type, a type item? It's just it's as item. What is the type? Show me. So it has component and data. That's a type, and okay, that's interesting. Okay, so it has like two things. Here is this thing over here. That's the component name, right? You have that also in here, here, and over there. Oh, come on, come on. Here we go. And this guy. Say next. Specify the type of component to load and any data to bind to the component. Ah, okay, so there will be somewhere specify those things, right? If we go back here to get ads, there's somewhere will be hero profile component. Look at that. This is featured hero profile, hire this hero, and then we hero job. And hero job just has job class, data headline, and data body. Line hiring for several positions. I can. Okay, so first of all, we'll have a look into how they are running it, and they are doing ng-serve as everywhere. I think we already did run the npm install. Why are you like complaining? What the fuck is this? My IDE looks awesome. I love it. I might be the only person, but I do like it. Come on. I should have ignored it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, meanwhile, I can customize this, and that is the assist, yeah, and that will be here. Background, so the background we will change to 00 5555. Okay. Cool. Better color. So we have some problem in the run department. Where's the run here? And it says what severity we can. I wonder what this does. If I run npm audit fix. Or npm audit for details. Okay, let's do that. npm audit. No fix available. Expression. Hey, Ryan. Yes, of course. Go ahead. Oh, fucking A. Every single time. It's like, oh my god, what's happening? Yes, please, I'm listening. Today I have been approached by very attractive woman. I'm thinking she might be like a gold digger. So there's that. Gold digger. Woman see it. Well, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Okay, so this doesn't. Okay, so npm audit fix. I wonder if this will do anything, but I don't think it will. No fix available. Okay, fuck that. Fuck that. So we will do npm. Now we will do ng surf open. Let's go. How do we have like resize stretch to still control shift down? Control shift down, control shift up. Interesting. I guess I will be copy striked for this anyway. I start to size of you okay. Well, this should work now. And this is how it's so brave as they come. Okay, so if I reload it, it's the same. So how the fuck is that? Oh, okay, so it changes based on the time. Okay, I'm a little disappointed because it's doing something else than I wanted. But that's okay. You know what? I might change the highlight color in here to similar to this. This one I like. And we'll click into the ad service. Yeah, fuck that. Let's do it like, right away. Change selection bar. Okay, plus we will be changing the registry, right? Yeah. What the fuck is this? Just ready to, yes, of course. And we are looking for HK current user, control panel, colors. Okay, and that is highlight. and I want from to decimal, and that is 85. Okay. Change it. Five, 85. Okay. I have to restart. Probably I do, right? Record it, yeah, okay, register it, navigate, done. Highlight text. What was the previous value? There's a white. Or color picker. The color panel. I just want to check if I have the right color, which I really wanted. So if I do 0, 85, 85, 85, 85, yeah, that's the thing which I want. Sign out and sign in to apply. Okay, so but I'm streaming, so next stream I will have different highlight color, hopefully. Anyway. And we are doing this now. Without static elements in the template. Hey, Charm X. Hope you're doing well. I'm good. Welcome to the channel. I'm just learning Angular. My God bless you with all the help. Oh, hope not. But thank you. I'm sure the intention was is coming from the right place. Okay, so the get ads thingy. Yeah. Okay, so here we have the array that we did established, right, already. But in the banner, how do we cycle through this, huh? Here we have some component factory. Third is 3 seconds. The get ads is called every 3 seconds. It's, I mean, this is the one, but the load component is, which is this thing over here. This guy. It's current at index. So we have current at index is +1 modulo length, which means it will cycle in. This adds, sure, so that's the add item, okay. Then we have a component factory. What is the component factory? Component factory resolver. Oh, it's coming from Angular, huh? Okay. Why is it all red? Are you kidding me? Did I delete something by accident? Yes, I did, okay. Kind of laggy, the computers, I don't know. Oh well. Da, 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 da. I don't know what it does. I guess this component factory, so resolve component factory. Do we use it for something? Yeah, we do use it over here as well. Okay. Resolve component factory. It does what the fuck? Okay, I guess I have to find out what it does. retrieves the factory object that creates a component of the given type. Params component, the component type. That creates a component. Okay, so this will return the component factory. Okay, cool. The component factory then has components. Here is the creator create, and it returns component reference. Okay. What they are saying about that? Add better component cycles through an array of add items and loads new every few seconds, calling load component. That's this guy over here. The load component method is doing a lot of heavy lifting. Yeah, I noticed. There's like a lot of stuff. Step by step, first it picks an add. Load component chooses an add. The load component method chooses add using some math. What do you mean? Some first it says, okay, yes, dividing that by yes, yes, yes. Oh, hold on. Now I'm thinking if I will end up this session commits to another one right away or no. Fuck that. Okay, so I'll finish this guy. This is the value to select. No, but yeah, from array, yeah, sure. To resolve a component factory for each specific component. Add item component. Okay, so here we are having the reference to the component. Then view container reference is the add host, and add host is this guy, and that is, yeah, view container reference. Okay, clear, that means what, we will just destroy all views in this container. Cool. Here we are doing what? Create component. Okay, so we are, and it. Oh. Why do we have the add component in here? What they are saying about that? Selects an add, it uses to resolve. Yeah, so Component factory then creates an instance of each component. That is where do we create that? Here, right? Create component. That's inside of the view container, right? So that actually takes the component factory already. Injector. Okay, it takes some shit, but instantiates a single component and inserts its host view into this container. Okay. Then we have component reference, instance data. Okay, and we bind the data in it. The instance date. Okay, so that will be. What was the? They both have a data. That was the service, and it was the hero profile. Come on. This one has a data type of any. This is also type of any. Not like that much, but okay. So here's that created. We assign the data. That's it. Nothing more. So what they are saying. Next, you are targeting the view container reference that exists on the specific instance of the component. View container reference. That's this guy, and this is that. We took it from here. Specific instance of the component. You know. How do you know it's a specific instance? Because it's referring to add host, and add host is directive you set up, yeah. Earlier to tell Angrover to insert dynamic components. Yeah, we took it from the add host, that's fine. And we put it in here. So we use it just a marker. They say API, but whatever. This thing over here. As you may recall, add directive injects view container ref into its constructor. Yes, that's true. This is how the directive accesses the element. This is the element that you want to use to host dynamic component. Yes. To add component to the template, we call create component on the view container reference. That's this guy. It's interesting that they have this add data component type or interface. Create component method returns a reference to the loaded component. Use that reference to interact with the component by assigning to its properties or calling to its method. Here's the interface, but just have the data, nothing else in it. So how is that helpful? To add better all components, implement a command. Okay, now I got you. So what it was, job add component, it implements, yeah, okay, I see that. See this, and then maybe the hero profile also implements that, right? Yeah. In here. Okay. Interface to standardize the API, passing data to components. Here are two sample components, and that components interface for reference. Yeah, that's what I just look at here. And here is the implementation, which means that we have to have the data, and both of them are marked as input. Look at that, input. But we don't use it that way, right? We do assign it. We put it on it like so. We don't put the thing in it through. Why is it marked as an input? Does it have to be? Let's try to break it. So let's say that this is not marked as an input. Will it break the application? I don't think so, actually. Look at that. So that was the hero, and here's, yeah, you see that? We don't use it at all. It's not needed. It is not. Hold on, I will save. I want to save this, and I will reload this once again to be sure. Empty cache, hard reload, and I think it will still be working. I lost the internet connection, or maybe, who cares? Salvador's Apple today. Brave as they come, smart as they come. Okay, so if I have a look at the hero job, and then here we will delete that here. Everything will still work, right? Yes. We don't need it. We don't need it. We don't need it at all. So, okay. So this, I don't know why they did put it in there. It doesn't matter. It's not used. That's how it looks. Okay, so I think we are done. We are 12 minutes, almost 30 minutes over the time, which means that we are done, at least with this round. One is better than perfect. I'll stop the timer.